So hey guys, welcome to our first podcast of Football and Chill. Here with me is Damanpreet Singh. He's a very dear friend of mine. My name is Navjot Singh. We both are fans of different English Premier League teams. I'm a fan of United, as you can see. He's a fan of Arsenal. He is a very diehard fan of Arsenal, as you can see. He has a tattoo also. It's nice, yaar. I always wanted to get Arsenal, Manchester United tattoo. Sorry, not an Arsenal tattoo. पर जब से मैं फुटबॉल मतलब बहुत ही क्लोजली वॉच करना चालू किया हूँ तब से पहले डेविड मोइस मैनेजर बना, उसने बहुत गंदा हगा. फिर उसके बाद आए हमारे वेंगाल जो सुला देता था मैच के बीच में. उसको तो उसका फुटबॉल ही सेंस नहीं समझ में आया किसी मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड फैन को अपेरेंटली. फिर उसके बाद आया मोरिनो, 3 चैंपियनशिप और फिर अब आए हैं ओले. So Ole is a good manager.
Ole, I think he's good, but by United qualified for the Champions League this season. It was totally unexpected.
और वो सिर्फ पेनल्टी पे हुए हैं ब्रूनो की वजह से. सीधी सी बात है.
ठीक है ना, but हुए ना. End of the day
हो गए
ना. That's it. That's all that matters.
Yes.
Yeah, Arsenal tried so hard. Fingers crossed, we got into Europa finally.
बिल्कुल. FA कप जीत के हुए ना तुम लोग.
हाँ, FA कप जीत के भाई. That game was sick यार. Oba man, that guy is something special.
That guy is something special. You should finally wind him up यार. वापस से आ जाना.
there's a deal on the. I think there's a deal on the table, but I think Arsenal announced all the rest of the transfers, and then for the grand one they'll announce Oba. He signed another year deal.
चलो इसके बारे में we'll talk later. करना चाहिए भगवान का नाम लेके. तो talking about God, what do you think about Messi leaving Barcelona?
First of all, he's not a god. Okay. Ronaldo is way better than Messi.
Apparently, you have shown in the first episode that you are a Ronaldo fan. Actually, I'm also a Ronaldo fan.
I'm basically not a Ronaldo fan, but I like his game way better than Messi. Because see, Ronaldo, when he left, he was in United, he was top class. I mean, that guy was single-handedly winning United titles.
Yes.
When he went to Real, same thing again. Full team is dependent on him. Now he's gone into Juventus. And that guy has been... It shows he's superior than Messi because he's played in all the 3 leagues.
And he has won all the 3.
His form didn't get dipped in either one. Messi, I think he's always been in that comfort zone, playing with Xavi and Iniesta, Busquets, and all that guys. So basically, Messi hasn't had to do so much. He's a very good player, no doubt.
Yeah, sure.
But if you compare the work rate of Ronaldo and Messi, Ronaldo will win any day. Messi has talent for sure. Messi has talent for sure. But see, this season Xavi wasn't there.
Yes.
Iniesta
no one was there.
So where is Messi now? Where is Messi?
Messi was playing with Griezmann. Messi को मिला कौन था मिडफील्ड में इस साल मिडफील्ड में था वो नया उनका था. नहीं, बुस्केट्स था, रैकिटिच था और मेजर पार्ट के लिए उनका जो नया साइनिंग है नीदरलैंड से, क्या नाम है उसका?
I don't follow La Liga a lot.
I don't also follow, but वो अभी चैंपियंस लीग में बहुत अच्छा किया था उसका.
But see again, Messi leaving Barcelona, I think
Luke De Jong.
The only destination, I think Messi, the only guys who can pay him the amount of money he wants are City.
सिटी और पीएसजी. सिटी और पीएसजी 2 ही नाम आ रहे हैं वैसे तो.
पीएसजी नहीं लेगा dude, नहीं लेगा. Where have they got the money यार? They have
बेच नहीं कर पाएंगे.
they have Neymar, they have Mbappe. उनके ऊपर भी फाइनेंशियल फेयर प्ले लग जाएगा.
वो वैसे ही लग चुका है पिछली बार.
The only problem for City is कि how do they act according to the FFP and at the same time get Messi to play for them.
But यार एक बात बता.
Inter Milan is also another source where he can go.
नहीं, इंटर मिलान के पास पैसे नहीं है. वो तो कॉन्टे को इस साल उन लोगों ने ट्रांसफर पैसे ही नहीं दिए ट्रांसफर करने के लिए.
यार, people are talking a lot about him going to Milan.
Milan, I don't think so he'll go either, or it will happen. क्योंकि
he'll only come to City now.
He'll come to City, but eventually what will happen is कि will he choose a club which has no footballing history, or he'll go for money. That's a huge deal. क्योंकि ऐसा बोला जा रहा है कि शायद Manchester United are also in favor of signing Messi. पर वही है कि इतना वेज बिल आ जाएगा कि
ऐसे
कैसे करेंगे.
ऐसे तो आर्सेनल का भी है.
Arsenal, you read that meme?
Arsenal are paying
that 4 million देंगे और साथ में गंडूजी लेंगे, मेसी दे दो.
आर्सेनल ओजिल को 350k दे रहा है just to sell shirts
and sit on the bench with an umbrella.
Yeah.
So that his skin don't hurt when वो tan ना हो जाए. उसको फोटोशूट भी तो कराना बाद में.
हाँ, exactly. So Arsenal, I don't think Arsenal has the funds right now because recently we sacked many of our support staff because of lack of funds.
Arsenal तो don't have fund for anything.
remember the plus one euro bid for Suarez. 40 million plus 1 euro.
Plus 1 euro.
Classic Wenger.
Classic.
I heard there are rumors that Suarez is also thinking of leaving Barca.
So I'll come to that. What will happen is कि Roman Koeman, as we all know, that has become the new Barcelona manager. उसका एक आइडियोलॉजी था, जो उसका एक इंटरव्यू था पिछले साल उसने दिया था, जिसमें उसने ये बोला था कि देखो बार्सिलोना के पास प्लेयर्स ही नहीं है, क्योंकि जो उनका कोर है, उनका मिडफील्ड हो बुस्केट्स, या उनका डिफेंडर हो पीके, या मेसी हो, या सुआरेस हो, ये सबके सब जो है 30+ हैं. तो तुम्हारा जब कोर ही इतना एज्ड है, तो तुम कैसे सोच पाओगे कि तुम यू विल परफॉर्म. So this is a huge problem for them.
Barca got stuck on to these players यार.
बहुत बुरा गया. जब इन लोगों
They got Dembele, but Dembele is again injured most of the time. He's a very good player.
But
yeah, he's injured most of the time.
Griezmann, वो भी. Yeah. He's out of form because the style of play. क्योंकि उसने बोला कि तुमने Griezmann तो साइन कर लिया, पर उसका style of play ही अलग है. वो यार मैं उसको रियल सोसिएदाद के डेज से देख रहा हूँ, वो काउंटर में खेलता है, वो पोजीशन बेस्ड तो
purely see if you look at Vardy in the Premier League. Vardy is a very good player for a team that plays only on the counter.
He cannot play in a team in a position based team.
Yeah, you cannot accept Vardy to play in a team like Arsenal, which relies only on possession, or a team like Barca, which does all that tiki-taka stuff. Vardy can only play in teams where there's only counter because he's got that raw speed with him. Yeah.
But
same applies to Griezmann.
But इतना बड़ा स्टेटमेंट दिया था रोनाल्ड कुमन ने मैनेजर बनने से पहले, जिसमें उसने बोला था मैं तो ये सब प्लेयर मुझे तो चाहिए नहीं, ये सब प्लेयर बकवास हैं, इनसे अच्छा तो मैं एक पूरी नई टीम बनाऊं. और वही उसने किया. मेरे ख्याल से जैसे ही रोनाल्ड कुमन वाज अनाउंस्ड, Messi handed a transfer request that I want to leave. और बार्सिलोना में तो उधम ही मच गई.
वहाँ तो बार्सिलोना छोड़ पूरे फुटबॉल वर्ल्ड में उधम मच गई यार. Everybody was like क्या हो रहा है.
बार्सिलोना में तो फैंस तो रोड पे आ गए. क्या ही होगा हमारे फुटबॉल क्लब का, क्या होगा
भाई. बार्सा भी फिनिश्ड. If you look at Real, when Ronaldo left, why you are the Forza, Hala, GGMU, Juve.
Ronaldo come back के बैनर लगते थे.
हाँ, तो अब मेसी जब जाएगा ना, Barca's fan base will be reduced in half. I can guarantee you this.
ये तो होगा. लेकिन I'll tell you something. I think that ये बार्सा से जो मेसी का जाना है is a good thing for Barcelona, क्योंकि Barcelona could not see a future with Messi. पहले तो वो 32 years का हो चुका है. उसके बाद उसका वेज बिल इतना बड़ा है कि उसमें 5 ब्रूनो फर्नांडिस आ सकते हैं, डूड.
Exactly.
तो ऐसे प्लेयर के साथ खेलना कोई मतलब नहीं है, जबकि वो एजिंग है, तुम्हारी पूरी कोर एजिंग है.
बारसा के साथ क्या है ना, दे बिल्ड द होल टीम अराउंड मेसी.
हाँ.
मतलब पहले मेसी रखते थे, देन मिडफील्ड में कौन फिट होगा, विंग में कौन जाएगा, मेसी के साथ कौन खेलेगा. दे नेवर हैड अ बैकअप प्लान कि साला मेसी कभी ना कभी तो रिटायर होगा, कभी ना कभी दूसरे क्लब जाएगा, कभी तो जाएगा ना. दे डिडंट हैव अ बैकअप प्लान कि जाएगा तब क्या करेंगे. They
I
didn't
don't
invest
think
in the future.
I don't think Barcelona ever thought that Messi would leave, and I
Messi
don't think even Messi thought he would ever leave.
या
उसको भी नहीं लगा था. But what the situation right
देख
now with
हुआ क्या,
Barcelona तो बहुत ही
हुआ
worst
क्या,
है.
मेसी आई थिंक आफ्टर रोनाल्डो लीविंग,
Hmm.
आफ्टर रोनाल्डो
Yes.
लीविंग
Yes.
रियल,
So.
आई थिंक मेसी ने भी देखा कि यार हो सकता है, मतलब इट्स नॉट कंपल्सरी दैट आई प्ले ओनली वन क्लब ऑल माय लाइफ.
Hmm.
आई कैन स्कोर इन द अदर लीग्स आल्सो, आई कैन प्ले इन अदर क्लब्स आल्सो.
I think वो एक
दैट
जो
इज आई थिंक एक चैलेंज था मेसी के लिए
challenge
कि
था
अब तू
basically.
ये करके दिखा,
हाँ.
तू ये करके दिखा. रोनाल्डो ने तो कर दिया, ही वेंट टू यूवे एंड ही परफॉर्म देयर आल्सो. अब तू करके दिखा, फिर जाने फिर क्या है, फिर मेसी
He's
रोनाल्डो का तब कंपैरिजन होगा.
he scored 39 goals in this season, Ronaldo.
39 goals यार, मतलब that's a lot. I think Ronaldo's
That's a
age is
lot.
what, 34 I guess.
34, yeah,
34.
34.
Yeah. He's 2 years older to Messi and still 39 goals. How much did Messi score this year? I think it wasn't. He
I
didn't
think
come near
almost
Ronaldo.
नहीं 30-35 के बीच में तो हो गई यार. इतना तो स्कोर करता ही
Yeah,
है वो.
yeah, yeah.
बाकी
Acha, now
I think one
I
more thing
think
before we end Barcelona talks is that
hmm,
I think it's good for Barcelona in somewhat ways because they now can
yeah,
actually rebuild a team after Iniesta going,
yeah,
Xavi going, Puyol going, and now Messi leaving. They can now build a good team after 2012. They are rebuilding a
yeah.
team, and now they are able to build. And for
It
Messi,
will
I
take
think
them, I think, a year or two,
yeah,
but
yeah.
then Barca will be
After
back
2 years,
again.
yeah, वो भी अगर if they sign good
No,
players, which
yeah,
I'm
money
sure,
is not a problem for them.
हाँ यार, money is not a
If
problem for them.
just imagine how much they'll make after selling Messi. Yeah,
Yeah. According to some sources that Messi is going for 100 million plus Gabriel Jesus and
yeah,
Bernardo Silva. So just
Silva,
you can see
and they're
that.
getting another player. City is offering another player with that.
Yeah,
They're offering 3 players.
वो राहुल गासिया करके उनका एक डिफेंडर है.
Yeah. They're offering 3 players plus 100 million.
100 million. तो
So I
सोच
think
तू
that is not a bad deal. Yeah,
that's a
like
very
Silva and
very good deal.
Gabriel,
Very good
Silva
deal.
and Gabriel again. They, if you sell them in today's market, I don't think they'll go for 60-70 million, less than 60-70 million.
नहीं यार, डेविड जो बर्नार्डो सिल्वा है, सॉरी, तो वो तो कुछ
Hmm.
80-100 मिलियन का प्लेयर है यार. वो तो
Yeah,
बहुत ही महंगा
yeah.
प्लेयर है.
I'm telling you, na, the minimum they'll get out with them is 60-70 million. So I think that deal alone goes down to around 400 million.
अगर
So I
होता
don't
तो
think.
I think it's a good deal for Barcelona and they should take it. And
Yeah, because to be frank, nobody will be able to pay the money for Messi.
that's
You'll only
the
get
only
players
thing.
in return.
अच्छा सोच कि football is the biggest sports in this world and we have so many
Yeah,
huge clubs, and still for
yeah.
just one world class player there is only one team.
Everybody
Wants to get
yeah
him, but there's only one team that can get him.
afford him.
Afford him. That's insane.
Yeah,
How
that's all just Arab money. Yeah,
Arab money है.
What can you do?
चलो कम से
Arsenal,
अब उन्हें
आर्सेनल के तो जो ओनर्स हैं स्टैन उनके ब्लडी ड्रेनिंग द क्लब यार. इतना टिकट सेल्स आता, इतना सब कुछ आता है, बट स्टिल पैसे नहीं है. What do you do in the transfer market? Buy check for 9 million. That is the only channel. Bloody Aston Villa on that transfer market spent 40 million. Just imagine. And Arsenal spent only 9 million. Where we don't have the funds.
Dude, Manchester United has not spent any money this season. they are also becoming the new Arsenal.
United has a very good team this year. I think with Pogba has finally come off form. Last season's United was actually वो पुरानी वाली यूनाइटेड की याद आती थी। When Arsenal used to go to play in Old Trafford, तो फटती थी यार, पेल देंगे लोग, पेल देंगे.
But
this season I got some vibes out of it.
पर ये तब हुआ जब जनवरी विंडो में ब्रूनो फर्नांडिस साइन हुआ है, और कब थोड़ा बहुत मोटिवेशन मिला है मार्शियल को, रैशफोर्ड को, और the main thing was, I think in this season what the main thing was for Manchester United was Mason Greenwood. That boy is a very good player, exceptional player. What he can shoot from both his legs, yaar. He can shoot.
United has a very good younger talent, younger team. Under 23s. United has a very good team this year.
बहुत है.
I think at least they should easily go ahead with the group stage. Going through to the group stage won't be a problem for them.
देखते हैं. वैसे talking about Manchester United, we have not even made a single deal this season, and Jadon Sancho के पीछे पड़े हुए थे.
United are chasing that player. I just read in the report yesterday on the net that Jadon Sancho is ready to play long ball. He wants United to offer. How much can they offer? He's just waiting for their offer. And United are ready to play long ball with him. They want that player, I think.
पर problem क्या है कि we have Ed Woodward, who is the chairman, and he's not good at spending money.
Same with Arsenal.
उसको वो प्लेयर बेच भी नहीं पा रहा है, ना वो प्लेयर को खरीद पा रहा है सही प्राइस पे. उसको 3 मेरे ख्याल से 3 ट्रांसफर विंडो लग गए थे ब्रूनो फर्नांडिस को खरीदने में. तो यू कैन थिंक कि उसको जॉर्डन सैंचो मिल रहा है 120 मिलियन का, वो उसके लिए बिड कर रहा है 50 मिलियन. तो ऑब्वियस सी बात है कि वो नहीं देने वाले. एंड द मेन पार्ट इज
120 मिलियन अगर आस्किंग,
मेन पार्ट इज विद सैंचो
120 मिलियन आस्किंग प्राइस है, तो एटलीस्ट यू शुड बिड 80 to 90 मिलियन एटलीस्ट. उनको भी तो सोचने का मौका मिले कि हाँ यार चलो इतने में सोचा जा सकता है. आधे से भी कम if you bid कहाँ से हो पाएगा?
नहीं हो पाएगा. Actually, what the procedure is, which is coming out, is 80 million वो शायद अभी ऑफर कर रहे हैं, और 20 million या 20 या 30 million they are offering on क्या बोलते हैं उसको, किश्तों में देने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं.
हाँ, वो आजकल बहुत ज्यादा हो गया है. Paying in them in parts.
Installments होगा, parts.
Every year they'll pay. Yeah, every year they'll pay some amount. When इस साल आर्सेनल के साथ भी क्या हुआ, when they signed Pepe, they are paying Lily in parts now. Every year they'll pay some or the other amount.
अच्छा.
To them.
तो वो तो 80-90 मिलियन में हुआ था ना?
हाँ, मतलब ऐसा ही. I think 70-80 something over there, but they're paying Lily in parts. वैसा ही है.
Speaking of more transfers, Chelsea, dude, they have signed 5 players in this transfer window.
Every day they are signing players, man. Every day they are signing players. But
Abramovich के बाद बहुत पैसा है यार.
Lampard, he's lots of.
एक ट्रांसफर बैन क्या मिला उसको, उसने बोला सारे प्लेयर मैं इसी ट्रांसफर विंडो में खरीद लूंगा, अब बैन करके दिखाओ.
अरे, they have bought Thiago Silva, who's a 35-year-old defender.
हाँ.
मतलब ठीक है यार, if a keeper can pay till the age of 40, I guess, उनका चलता है. But a defender, 35-year-old defender,
तो उसको
again it's a free transfer.
हाँ.
उसमें कुछ ऐसा है नहीं, but then still again wage bill तो बढ़ेगा ना.
Wage bill बढ़ेगा, और उसको 1 साल का ही कॉन्ट्रैक्ट दिया है जो does not make sense.
हाँ, 1 साल का दिया है
कि तुम्हारा 1 साल बाद मतलब उसको क्या ही करना है उसके साथ. How many players have they signed? They have signed Timo Werner.
They have signed around 5 players.
Ziyech. Then एक Malang Sarr करके, Thiago Silva, and there is one more under 23 player which have they signed. So
Sarr, I think again will go out on loan this season, and he'll come back next season to play for them.
नहीं, I think so.
There are some reports.
अच्छा. No, I don't think so. He'll go out on loan. He's a good player. He's a good central defender, which they need very badly.
Yeah.
And Ben Chilwell, अरे बेन चिलवेल तो हमने नोट ही
Yeah,
नहीं किया.
Ben Chilwell.
Five signing,
No,
55 million for Ben Chilwell. Now I think
I think that's a lot.
he becomes the most expensive left back. He's now the
I
most
think
expensive left back.
55 million for Ben Chilwell is a lot, I guess.
जो कि he cannot defend at all. They have just signed
Yeah,
another Marcos Alonso.
and they just paid 55 million.
55 million for him. इतने में तो
Yeah.
जियाच नहीं खरीदा था.
हाँ, मतलब ठीक है, चेल्सी की भी I think they want to play in the Champions League next season again.
हाँ, नहीं, I think they are going for the league because the signings they have made. अब dude उनके पास चार स्ट्राइकर्स हैं. टीमो वर्नर, टैमी अब्राहम, ओलिवर जिरूड और बैट्सवाई.
Yeah, Michael Batshuayi, Michi Batshuayi. But then again, I think कि यार Chelsea doesn't have that thing to go for the title next season.
Maybe उन्हें ये इस साल उन्हें थोड़ा टीम को स्टेबल करने में कैसे खेलना है, नए प्लेयर्स आए हैं.
Lampard,
थोड़ा टाइम लग जाएगा.
Lampard has done a wonderful job as a manager.
Wonderful job. उसने डार्बी के साथ भी बहुत अच्छा किया था. And now coming to Chelsea, he has also done a very good job. I must say वो एक टाइम पे तो क्रूज कर रहे थे.
हाँ,
with the transfer ban,
that's a very big thing.
बहुत सारी टीम्स जो होती है, बहुत सारे कोचेस जो होते हैं, वो चेल्सी को प्रेफर नहीं करते विद द ट्रांसफर बैन विद द टीम दे हैड, क्योंकि ईडन हैजार्ड इज जस्ट लेफ्ट एंड यू डोंट इवन हैव अ ट्रांसफर विंडो टू रिप्लेस हिम एंड यू स्टिल मैनेज टू फिनिश फोर्थ विद द सेम पॉइंट्स विद नंबर 3 टीम. तो बहुत ही बड़ी बात है.
That's a lot. Chelsea played wonderfully this season. But again they lost the FA Cup to us.
शो ऑफ करने का कहीं भी मौका मत छोड़ना तुम. आर्सेनल करती क्या, यही तो करती है.
ठीक है, छोटी मोटी टीमों को हरा देते हैं हम लोग ऐसे.
लीग में तुम 8 थे या 9 थे?
यार 9-8 था.
8 थे शायद.
बट यार देख, एक frankly speaking, I didn't expect Arsenal to qualify for the Champions League this season.
Europa League.
Because नहीं, Champions League.
अच्छा, this season. Okay.
Yeah. So, but the thing is, when Arteta came, Arsenal were in complete chaos. At that time, finishing in the top 10 was also looking like a big thing for us.
Big thing. Actually, until the last 3 match days, it was looking like Arsenal are not gonna finish in top 10.
But then again, beating Liverpool, that was the thing, man. Even though I call it as luck, but the players played very well, man. With Arteta coming now, there's something about the players that, that fire inside. हाँ यार, करके दिखाना. That thing was there. We could see traces of the old Arsenal back. Something else. I think Arteta next year, we will get a Champions League spot for sure. With the signings he's making. You got Pablo Mari and Cedric Suarez on permanent deals. I think there's a permanent deal for Dani Ceballos also. Arteta spoke in his interview that I like the player a lot. And with Gabriel also coming in, the defender from Lille, he's also a very, I would say, one of the best defenders Arsenal has got in the side this year. And with William Saliba also coming in. Arsenal signed him last year, but he went out on loan. He's also coming in. So Arsenal basically has a brand new defense right now. With Bellerin also coming in form, with I think Arsenal will seriously go for the Champions League next season.
Acha.
We will qualify, and I can easily see Arsenal at least going to the finals of the Europa League next year.
Okay, but what I think is कि अभी तक उन्होंने सेलिबाइस के लिए कोई बिड नहीं करी है. He has told a lot कि he wants it, but वो शायद अभी तक आया नहीं है. और दूसरा, I think they don't have a good midfield here. You can't assume कि Ozil is gonna perform.
With Ozil, I think Ozil's playing days are over. That is what I personally, he is my favorite player at Arsenal. On Ozil's day, जिस दिन उसका दिन होता है ना भाई, you cannot stop him, man.
उसके लिए ओजिल को खिलाना भी पड़ेगा.
हाँ, I think 2 or 3 seasons back the game against United when Sanchez was there and Ozil was there.
हाँ.
भाई क्या खेले थे यार. मतलब Ozil on his day, I think he's still the best midfielder in the world on his day. पर उसके दिन बड़े कम आते हैं.
दिन बहुत कम है और ये past his prime. Now he is
मतलब
just
ठीक
a
है भाई.
good bench boost. That's it.
Yeah, मतलब if he goes in for the last 10 or 20 minutes in the game, and we are say the score is tied or we are losing by a goal or something, he can create that magic for sure. But Ozil के साथ again problem क्या है ना, he needs time. You cannot expect to put him up on the 85th minute and he'll score. He needs at least an half. Yeah. Ozil again, I think his playing days are over now. With Ceballos, if you would have seen in the last 3 games with Arsenal last season में, Ceballos और Xhaka ने बड़ी अच्छी मतलब बीच में वो पार्टनरशिप कर ली थी.
सही बात है. मुझे भी ऐसा लग रहा था.
Ceballos used to attack and
Ceballos, he was a box to box midfielder.
Yeah. If you give him time and you give him space, या भाई तुझे जैसा करना है कर. I think he's on his day, I think he's a very good midfielder. And Xhaka again, he has shown character after मतलब उसको जब कैप्टन से उसने रिजाइन कर दिया था, but उसके बाद since Arteta coming in, he stepped up his game a lot.
Everyone has stepped up their game at Arsenal.
With Willian also coming in now from Chelsea.
He wants to win Champions League with Arsenal.
That was a very bad joke.
उसने कहा है.
Yeah,
मैं नहीं कह रहा.
Next season we qualifying for the Champions League for sure. And with Willian and Pepe on one side and Auba on the front, I think that is going to be one killer combination for Arsenal.
चलो.
इन तीनों का अगर दिन चल गया ना भाई, तो कोई भी टीम सामने नहीं टिक पाएगी. बस डिफेंस साथ देते हैं हमारा.
If you think that
हमारा डिफेंस हमेशा धोखा कर देता है हमारे साथ.
डेविड लुइस को मत खिलाना ना फिर.
अरे डेविड लुइस फ्री में महंगा है साला वो. भाई किसी गेम ऐसा खेलेगा वो कि भाई वैन डाइक से भी अच्छा है वो.
हाँ.
और किसी दिन ऐसा हगेगा वो, मतलब कि साला लगेगा कि तू जा भाई, तू चेल्सी वापस जा, नहीं चाहिए तू अब.
वो भी तो उसका भी तो कितने 33 इयर्स का हो गया मेरे ख्याल से.
हाँ भाई टाइम हो गया उसका. नाउ ही इज जस्ट लाइक भाई एफए कप में खिलाने के लिए अच्छा रिप्लेसमेंट है कि हाँ चलो ठीक है खेल ले भाई. तो कोई डिफेंडर इंजर हो गया, सो ही इज अ गुड बैकअप.
स्पीकिंग ऑफ द मैच अगेंस्ट लिवरपूल, द कम्युनिटी शील्ड,
I think Arsenal are going for it all. I can surely see by that match is going to be something else. I don't think there are going to be 1 or 2 goals more than a piece. मैच का स्कोर ऐसे ही होगा 1-0, 1-1, 2-1, 3-2 ऐसे ही होगा देखना. Because Liverpool ठीक है, they are in form, but again we beat them last season and end of the season we beat them. Or I don't think Arsenal are any more afraid of Anfield now. कि ठीक है भाई अभी लिवरपूल से मैच है तो फट भी, ऐसा नहीं है बिल्कुल भी. And players and the fans believe कि भाई आराम से मारेंगे. See again with the FA Cup final, अगर तूने देखा होगा मैच,
हाँ देखा था मैंने.
चेल्सी के साथ भाई जब when Chelsea scored,
हाँ पहला गोल,
I was like कि मैच खत्म भाई हो गया. Because I think 2 years back यूरोपा के फाइनल में भी we had a match with Chelsea and they beat us 4-1 I guess.
हाँ जिरूड ने गोल मारे थे.
भाई हाँ तो I think कि भाई गई चेल्सी, अब आर्सेनल गई, अब ये फिर से आज हराने वाले हैं.
हाँ.
एंड देन भाई उसके बाद तुझे आर्सेनल का गेम देखना चाहिए था. दैट फाइटिंग स्पिरिट मैन,
दे शोड कैरेक्टर.
गुड यार.
हाँ
भाई मतलब लिटरली मतलब मजा आ रहा था मैच देख के.
सही बात है.
Even if we would have lost that game now, but I would have been proud of the way the Arsenal played.
Yeah, Arsenal are playing very good apparently under Arteta यार.
Under Arteta, the confidence of the players is on another level. मतलब समझ नहीं आ रहा साला क्या गोची मिला के दे रहा है सबको.
गोची
भाई. But now let's see, fingers crossed. I hope we win the Community Shield I think जीतने के बाद going into next season will be a very big confidence booster.
हाँ, confidence booster तो definitely would be.
We just beat the obviously we just beat the champions, man.
Champions, yeah.
And really. Liverpool playing last year, this year, it's too good, yeah. They on, I think for the last 2 years, they are playing on next level, man. Exceptional. मजा आ रहा था देख के उनको.
Exceptional, and this, I think, in this match, what will happen is they'll possess the ball. सबसे ज्यादा पोजीशन रखेंगे और आर्सेनल जो है वो काउंटर पे खेलेगी. अगर गोल पड़ गया तो पड़ गया, नहीं तो वो लिवरपूल तो मैच ले जाएगी. मैच तो लिवरपूल लेके चली जाएगी.
आर्सेनल, see again, आर्टेटा जब से आया ना, if you've seen the matches of Arsenal, पूरा पेप का स्टाइल लाया है. पूरा मतलब बॉल घुमाओ और आर्सेनल भी हैप्पी टू सिट बैक कि ठीक है ना भाई, पोजीशन नहीं है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, हमें एक चांस मिलेगी, हम उसमें गोल करके दिखाएंगे, गोल मार देंगे. हाँ, तो
ये कॉन्फिडेंस, दिस कॉन्फिडेंस ओनली कम्स फ्रॉम ऑबामेयांग, क्योंकि वो जो विंग्स पे उसका प्ले है
भाई. ओबा अगेन चेल्सी वाला मैच देखा, he single handedly won us that game, man.
हाँ, he scored 2 goals ना.
I think to give him a contract extension should be a top priority for Arsenal, because see again, Oba जब से प्रीमियर लीग में आया, every season if you see of his playing days, 25 से 30 गोल हर सीजन मार रहा है यार. मतलब for a striker to be that consistent बहुत बड़ी बात होती है यार.
उसने 22 गोल मारे इस सीजन.
हाँ भाई, मतलब बहुत बड़ी बात है यार. पिछले सीजन भी इतने मारे थे. लास्ट ईयर शेड द गोल्डन बूट विद वार्डी एंड एग्वेरो. इस साल वार्डी 2 गोल आगे था. 2 गोल आगे. बट I think उसको चाहिए if he wants 350k a week, 400k a week, दो उसको भाई.
पैसा भी तो होना चाहिए ना आर्सेनल के पास इतना.
अरे सब है यार. क्रोम के साला छान रहा है, पूरा पैसा निकाल रहा है क्लब से यार. जो जितना पैसा ओबा का चाहिए ना, आई थिंक दो उसको भाई, बट कीप हिम एट द क्लब. वी नीड अ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एक्सटेंशन, बिकॉज अगर वो गया ना तो टीम और प्लेयर्स, टीम हो गया और फैंस हो गया, दोनों का कॉन्फिडेंस ऐसा खत्म होगा ना भाई. यू नीड टू लूज द मोस्ट, यू नो,
स्टार प्लेयर ऑफ द टीम,
बेस्ट प्लेयर ऑफ योर टीम.
Just like how Barcelona is feeling after Messi.
Exactly. हमारे भी वैसे ही हाल हो जाएंगे कि भाई ओबा चला गया हमारा.
आर्सेनल के फैंस सारे एमिरेट्स के बाहर खड़े होंगे. डिमांडिंग,
धरने में बैठे आएंगे.
बोले एक उम्मीद थी हमारी, एक उम्मीद, वो भी चली गई.
हाँ, मतलब भाई आज की डेट में ओबा के अलावा भाई कोई 80 मिलियन का भी स्ट्राइकर ले आना, I don't think he'll be that consistent.
नहीं, nobody will be that consistent. How much Aubameyang is?
He's a world class player, yeah, world class player.
And you guys also have a good core of young players.
Yeah, Saka,
Martinelli,
Reece Nelson, Martinelli again. Martinelli भाई उसका चेल्सी के अगेंस्ट गोल देखा था.
2 गोल मारा था ना
भाई यार. क्या खतरनाक प्लेयर है.
बहुत अच्छा.
Martinelli, I think he's one for the future. If he stays at Arsenal for a long time, I think he'll be one of the greats.
I think he'll stay. These core players will stay.
He'll stay.
And they'll only rebuild. They'll only help Arsenal rebuild.
भाई क्योंकि I don't think they'll get a better coach than Arteta.
No, they are not.
भाई उसने 10 गेम में वो करके दिखा दिया जो एमरी ने 1.5 सीजन में नहीं किया था. एमरी वो सिर्फ एक ही चीज करता था, गुड इवनिंग.
मुझे समझ नहीं आता Arsenal players, why the Arsenal fans hate Unai Emery so much. He has won 3 European leagues back to back.
भाई तो हमारे साथ नहीं जीता ना यार.
हाँ, ये है
भाई. यूरोपा के फाइनल में जाके आप चेल्सी पड़ोसी से निपट के आ जाओ, लंदन राइवल से निपट के आ जाओ, वो भी 1 गोल 2 गोल से नहीं हारते,
4 गोल,
4-1 स्कोर. मतलब कि यार टट्टी, मतलब प्योर, मतलब बोलते हैं ना कि मैंने दिमाग खराब हो गया. आई कुडंट स्लीप फॉर 2 नाइट्स मैन. जो चेल्सी वालों के फोन आ रहे हैं मेरे पास, भाई क्या हो गया. आई वाज लाइक शिट मैन, व्हाट कैन आई से.
मैंने भी तेरा मजाक उड़ाया था व्हाट्सएप पे. हालांकि मैं तो उड़ाता ही रहता हूँ.
No, but Emery I think was a bad choice. Arsenal should have got Arteta from the start.
Chalo, like now, I think we should wrap up. And what is your prediction of this match?
I think this with the Arsenal defense, I cannot guarantee a clean sheet. I think score is gonna be 3-2 and Arsenal score 3.
Arsenal score 3. Okay, so I'm going with Liverpool. I don't know. I'm a Manchester United fan, but I think that Liverpool is gonna win.
इतने बुरे दिन आ गए भाई.
इतने बुरे दिन आ गए.
Liverpool.
I think Liverpool are gonna win 2-1. I think so. They're not gonna be many goals, but I think 2-1.
See, Liverpool again ना उनके लिए Community Shield घंटा फर्क नहीं करती. They won the EPL. I don't think they'll go all in for this one. They're preparing for next year's this thing.
It's just a trophy with a preseason match. A preseason match with a trophy. But इतना ही तो है.
Yeah, so I think Arsenal is gonna win this thing for sure. Let's see, fingers crossed.
Let's see who wins. So, thank you guys for watching our podcast. If you like this video, then please hit a like, share, and subscribe. And comment if you liked Daman's rage with Arsenal and Unai Emery.
And guys, do tell us on what to talk next. I think we'll be doing a post-match analysis.
Yeah, of the Arsenal and Liverpool match.
Yeah, and then again we'll every week
we'll post.
Come,
yeah, every
week we'll come up with a transfer thing
podcast.
For sure.
Yeah.
And guys, do let us know what you want to talk about in our next podcast.
Please comment down that below. Bye-bye. And please subscribe to my channel. You can enjoy these podcasts every week. We have not decided a day on which we are gonna post this.
This is our first.
This is our first. So please show a lot of love and share it with your friends. And please subscribe